everyone. So for this project, I am going to kind of jump ahead and use the September 2020 digital kit from Ali Edwards to document week 36 in my storyline chapters. I'm going to wind up doing a flip because of the fires. I had a lot to document, so I'm going to just do a flip up for it. You'll actually flip it up and then there'll be something here and there. And I just really wanted to play with a new kit, so that's why I jumped way ahead. And I also took the time to kind of map out my storyline chapters, so that way I knew I was putting it in the right place. As you can see, I have the notes right there. So I'm gonna put this spread together, and I hope you enjoy watching. All right, thanks. I have a simple grid of photos on the left-hand side, and one of the photos is going to have a flip up for some extra journaling because when I was playing around in Photoshop, I could not figure out how I could add in more photos without shrinking them down smaller. I also had to turn that photo of my daughter and I. It looks kind of, I don't know, shiny, glossy, but it was a Snapchat filter photo, and it was like bright pink and purple, so I had to do it black and white, and then I just decided to do our current show black and white, and that way I have two black and white pieces. And then with that one on the back, I glued one of the journaling, and then the second part of the journaling is going to go actually on the page. I just measured out some washi tape, not measured, but I just checked it with the color scheme and it matched pretty perfectly. So I'm going to go ahead and just use that for my flip ups, and that way you can see the journaling for the left side and then the right side. I also took out of the editing a lot of playing with a bone folder. I thought I was going to have to use a bone folder, but in the end I decided that just washi tape will work, and that way the digital piece, This Is Hard, will be able to be seen. And that way also you know that there's something underneath because you can see a little bit of it right below the photo of the fire. Our skies were literally orange and it was a rough month. So I took some photos and I just kind of made a collage, and then the orange and green blocks that you see there up top on the collage, those are all digital stamps repeated. And I just peeled that washi off so that way I could lift it up a little bit and you could see that This Is Hard. And then I'm going to add the September. Looks like this on top. I fussy cut that, and then I have some asterisks, that's what I want to call them, asterisks, from the digital kit that I just fussy cut out, and I'm just going to sprinkle those around to add a little visual interest, and then that'll be about it. I did decide to add in some black word stickers, and I found one that I really love that said, "It's not a bad life, it's a bad day." And that really sums up September. It was rough. And I'm sure I've mentioned that in another project or two because I've documented the fires a few times now in different projects. So you lift it up and you see This Is Hard, and then I add an asterisk, and then I am going to add those word stickers and finish up this project, and it came together super quick, probably my fastest process video ever. So I really love this format. All right, so I'm calling this one done. I love it. Guys, it turned out so fun, and I'm just having the best time making these storyline chapter pages and keeping it pretty simple. A lot of the work was done for me in Photoshop Elements, so it came together really quick. And with storyline chapters, you have to kind of pick flat embellishments, so having digital elements that you fussy cut out works much better. And I just added in some word stickers and called it done. And I really love how this flip up worked. Kind of got that idea from Jessica Upton, who did a large photo right here. And yeah, so I love it, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this process video. I'd love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you're new to my channel. All right, have a great day. Bye.